SkyKnight, Ukraine's new battle drone with a punch. On August 19, Ukraine's Ministry of Defense unveiled the new armed drone, SkyKnight. The SkyKnight, showcased on the ministry's Telegram account, is an octocopter drone that carries a 2.5 kilograms (5.5 pounds) bomb. This drone can target a wide range of military assets, from tanks and infantry to any identified Russian military target. Samuel Bendit emphasizes the drone's potential to deliver significant damage, especially against infantry units. Previously, Ukraine used commercial drones, like the DJI Mavic, to drop bombs during warfare. The current conflict has seen an unprecedented scale of drone usage. The SkyKnight is domestically produced, with parts common to hobbyist drones, suggesting a focus on easy assembly and functionality. If a pilot is familiar with drones like DJI or Autel, they can quickly learn to operate the SkyKnight. Domestic drone production is crucial for Ukraine, especially after DJI suspended its operations in Ukraine and Russia. The SkyKnight, with its explosive capabilities and autonomous flight mode, signifies Ukraine's advancements in combat technology. For effective battlefield impact, Ukraine needs to manufacture the SkyKnight in significant quantities. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date on AI developments.